Hey, what's up YouTube? Hillbilly Dave here. Messing around, got me a job in the shop, but hey, it is what it is. Today we're working on a Ford 302 out of an 88 Ford pickup. Come in, rear oil main was leaking. Went ahead, spent time, pulled the motor. And under further inspection, we found out pretty much every gasket from the oil pan all the way up to the intake is leaking. And we're not sure on the head gaskets, but we're going to go ahead and replace them. We just went ahead and bought a complete gasket set. We're going to give her a baby blue paint job, make it easier to find oil leaks in the future, whether it's for us or the next mechanic down the road. I'm sure they'll appreciate it. And it'll give a little bit of appeal for resale. We're going to have to cut these bolts out here on the power steering. Somebody severely over torqued them and we stripped the heads off. We've already degreased the motor, pressure washed it. We still got some more we got to do, but we're going to wait until we get it tore apart. That's yours. It was just plumb nasty. I mean, you wouldn't believe the amount of oil and grease buildup on this motor. We gotta degrease the engine bay on the pickup. I don't think we're gonna do any painting. It looks pretty good in there. But you can get all this done. Gaskets ain't gonna be in until next week, but normal job like this for me and my brother. That's my brother in the background. I'm sure you know him from my other videos. We can usually do a job like this in 3 or 4 days, but you know, waiting on parts, it is what it is. But alright YouTube, so we got her tore down. A greasy mess. Probably should put a new timing chain in it. The cylinders look pretty good. Hardly any ridge. Still see the crosshatch. Feels really good. Very little play in pistons. All this started because that seal right there decided it wanted to go out. But it gives us a chance to refresh all the other seals anyway, and gaskets and everything. Now we're just gonna have to clean her up, paint her, get ready to slap her back. We're starting to put the motor back together. We got the rear main in, front main. Got the block all nice and cleaned up. All the gasket surface is ready. Got it pretty good down, almost ready for paint. And I started working on the heads. Got it cleaned up. And we got a broken exhaust valve. At least now we know where the mist is coming from. I figured it was blown head gasket, in which, you know, they were blowing in between the cylinders. But let's see, y'all see that right there. So we got another one on the way. It won't be here until, well, it won't be at the parts house till 4 o'clock, so might as well say it's not gonna get put in until tomorrow morning.
Hey, you know what we need to do? We need to post about food donations. We're in dire need of some burgers.
My brother here, he's working on a, what year is it? 04?
04 Mustang.
04 Mustang.
3.9 leaky valve seals.
3.9, that got leaky valve seals. Now we just did bottom end in it, what, about 6 months ago, 7? Yeah, and sold it, and then valve seal started leaking. He went ahead, and we had an old car out back. He went ahead and took the head off of it and went ahead and changed all the valve seals and stuff in it. Now we're going to put it on here, or he's putting it on there. That's his project. This Ford's mine. But alright YouTube, we're back. Just got a fresh coat of paint down on the 302. Valve cover, harmonic balancer. Look at that. Looks pretty good. Did a quick one on the heads. We're gonna spray it down better once the heads are bolted down to the engine, but with the broken valve, and it's not going to be in until 4 o'clock today, so you might as well say it's a job for tomorrow. I just wanted to go ahead and get as much painted as I could because I wanted to get the engine in tomorrow. So, yeah. Alright, back again. And we got one head on, valve cover, water pump on, painted, harmonic balancer. We're still waiting on the valve. Here it is, 11:30, about time for me to pack it up for today. Going on vacation. There's the valve that came out. She's pretty good. Got all the valve seals replaced. Both heads. This motor still got a lot of life in it. These gaskets will make sure she'll keep running. All right.